Well, Bill wants to hear the vet run, so go ahead and start it up, Corey. That is the
Hey, I don't know about you, but this car's jumping, ready to get to the show. I'm jumping and ready to go. See you March 18, 19, and 20 at the IX Center. Woo!